Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. The GSXR is ready. You can see it right there. I got up with our local police department. You guys have seen me riding with them before. It's a bunch of great guys out here. They do a lot of bike safe too. If you have bike safe in your area, you should check it out. They actually ride with you. It's a free class and it's great for them to kind of help you ride a little better. So they're going to let me try my bike in some of these cone courses out here. So they're out here, they're just pulling up, they're getting set up. So I'm going to help them get some cones out. We're going to take this bike on a shakedown. So let's get it ready and check it out. Should be fun. Alright guys, so we're set up. We got a slow weave over there with a 360 at the end of it. We got an offset weave here, goes all the way through. We got this one behind me, it's called a Vandy. We have a double 360 set up right there. It's gonna be a good day. Let's see if this bike can do it. Alright guys, so let's try out this double 360. Alright guys, so one thing, I was just riding around getting warmed up and one thing became immediately apparent, and that is the stop right here. You can see the stop got damaged in the crash, so the bar turns further when I turn to the right. So to the right you can see how close that is to the frame, and then when I turn it to the left, on the left side, because that stop is not damaged, I got a good amount of space in between here. So I'm going to go ahead and probably just bang that one so I can turn the bar some more, because I notice it makes right hand turns a whole lot easier than the left hand turns. But let me get the chest cam on and we'll check it out, take you through some courses. I'll follow you. right, guys, it's the next day. It's a little warmer today than it was yesterday. Bike is all tucked away. We know what we got to do to it. I got to clean up those stops in the steering and a couple of odds and ends just to make it work a little better, so I can go through that stuff a little faster, idle up and all that kind of things. But I had a great day out there. Make sure you go and talk to some of your local motor cops. If you're a rider in the area, get to know them. They're great people. Bike Safe, I'm going to put a link so you can check that out too, and that's a good way to get to know some of your local motor cops and to get some free training. Really, they have some classroom portion of it, and then you get to ride with them, and they get to watch what you're doing and try to give you some tips to make it safer for you to ride. Their goal is to help people ride safer, so they'd rather do that than respond to any wrecks. All right, so we're out there to have fun and enjoy it. Meet up with them, let them help us out, and you just have a great day riding. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and you get a chance to do what I did in some of those cone courses. If not, set some up. Go online. There's a bunch of cone courses you can find and set them up. I'll have some videos of that also as well. I'm building up a list of courses that I can set up and go practice on for Motogymkhana. But guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, Tepcocyclerepair. Get that bike out and ride.